Okay, greeting guys, welcome back to your Dr. DIY channel. So just a update on this video. Okay, since in the literature there is not much of reports on how to remove your engine oil sump. So how to remove it, because it was leaking, right? Oil was coming out from the side here. So basically we have removed it. We have cleaned all the gasket using a scraper, and then after that we have washed completely with detergent, and then we have also installed high quality magnets. Okay, this will attract all the debris to the magnet and not to further damage the engine. Bear in mind, okay, Mazda CX5, there is no gasket. They are using 100% adhesive, so there is no gasket sold in the spare part shop. So there is a cover here, right? You got to open up this cover. So once you open up this cover, you will see the oil sump here. So you will see the oil sump here. So you just take a flathead screwdriver, you put it inside, and you just gently pull it down. The oil sump will gently come out. So from here, you will basically get a good grip of the oil sump and pull it downwards slowly until it completely comes out. As you open up the oil sump cover, you will see this back here. So the oil will force through inside here. There is a filter element inside here. There is oil here. So if you want to change this, if you want to change it, just slide it through one here, one other side, just remove the side, slide it through, just gently out. Okay, so this is oil. GF30. So we have it. So we can we're going to change the O-ring which is mounted here, because the old O-ring is already hard. We have tightened up size 8. Okay. So now we are going to put back the oil sump, but before that, you can see there is oil. So you got to clean this up. Okay, there is no way the adhesive will bond or will settle down with this base if there is oil. So take a clean block, this all around, and make sure there's no oil stain. Okay. So just clean it. There is a special way to put in the oil sump. Can you see the marking here? There is a groove. So the oil sump will basically go inside here first, then only you push it up. So this is the way you put in the oil sump. It basically hooks at the side there. So once it's already hooked, then you push it up and you screw it in. So when you want to take it out, so you take out the cover, you put in the screwdriver like I mentioned first time, you slowly push down, so this thing will come out. So you've got your hand here, you pull it down, and then you take it up. So there is a way to take out this oil sump. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm taking abrasive sandpaper of grade 300, and I'm just going to sand paper on the place where the adhesive is going to sit down, just to make it rough. Okay, so that the bonding between the adhesive and this base will be much more stronger. Okay, the oil sump has been fixed the back. So all the screws, you can see the excess of gum coming out at the side here. Okay, the adhesive side here, just leave it all around. It's coming out a bit. So it is highly recommended to tighten up the screws according to torque. So in this case, we are using 20 Newton meters. So everything is done. The oil filter has been fixed. The oil sump screw has been fixed. So we just wait until it dry, then we can put in the engine oil.